Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary Ellen and today I'm going to take you through my Make 9 for 2021. I first came across this challenge on Made by Kath Crafts channel. She posted a video with her Make 9 plans and I thought that was a great idea and I wanted to partake. So basically what it is you pick 9 sewing patterns that you want to make in the year. I thought it'd be a great way to challenge myself by picking new patterns and patterns that I might not normally decide to do and give myself a goal. So without further ado, I'm going to go through each of the patterns, and for some of them I have some ideas for fabric that I'd like to use, and so I'll go over those as well. Alright, so I have my notes right here and I am just going to start reading. This is in no particular order. I just kind of made the list as I was looking for patterns online. And these are all indie pattern companies, and each one is a different company, which I also wanted to do for these 9 pattern choices. Alright, so starting off with the Megan Nielsen Kotzlow swimsuit pattern. I'll throw up a picture as I go through these. I thought this was a really cool, versatile pattern. I think there's 4 different views, but you can also kind of mix and match the 2-piece versions. So yeah, I really like this swimsuit pattern and I thought it was a good basic either 2-piece or 1-piece. I love the high waist option, and I was looking on Etsy for swimsuit fabric and I will pop up a couple of options that I found. My favorite is probably the Clementine pattern. I think that's just so cute. Alright, moving on, we have the True Bias Lodo dress. I really liked the shape of this dress. It's simple but still a cool shape and I'm excited to make it. I don't know what fabric I'm going to use, but I'll make that choice when I get there. Next up we have the French Navy Morningside dress / shirt. There are a few different views as well. I think I'm going to make one of the shirt versions. I haven't decided between the kind of regular sleeve or the frill sleeve, so either way it'll be cute. And I'm thinking for this maybe a linen or a linen like fabric, like a light cotton sort of vibe. I think that would be really nice. Alright, next we have the Closet Core Carolyn pajamas. I'm obsessed with pajamas, so I think this will be really fun, and I might make these first. I don't know yet. I'll probably make multiple of them. But I want to do one as like in a jersey or something, like a lightweight jersey, and then another one in maybe like a silk or a silk-like fabric. I think that would be nice to have 2 different types of fabric. Maybe I'll do one as a pants bottom and then one as a shorts bottom. So I think there are multiple views to this pattern as well. Alright, next up we have the Seamwork Dorian. These are really cute high-waisted shorts. Throw up a picture. And I definitely want to do these in a linen. I'm not sure what color yet, maybe like an army green or like a lighter, like a moss green, kind of like the model. But whatever I choose, I will share that too. Alright, next up I have the Friday Pattern Company square neck top. I really was drawn to this because I don't have anything like this in my closet currently, and I think it's really flattering on any body style or body shape, and so I'm excited to make this. I don't know what fabric I would make this in yet, but I have time to figure that out. Next up I have the Avid Seamstress coat pattern. I found this pattern company while scrolling through Etsy one day, and they have a few really nice patterns, like a blouse, a blazer, this coat pattern, and I believe a few more. So I want to do this coat. I've never sewn a coat before or anything like that, so I'm excited to do that, and I'll either do it in like the first quarter of 2021 or like the last quarter of 2021. Haven't really planned these out on my calendar yet, but I really like that coat pattern. Okay, next up is the DG Pattern Sonora top. This looked like a really cool top and I love the frill detail on the collar. I'm excited to make it. I think it'll be really nice for office wear. In my job we have a business casual dress code, so I think I'll be making a few of these tops. And finally, we have the Paper Cut Patterns Rise and Fall turtlenecks. And I like fitted turtlenecks better than like looser ones. And this is kind of like a semi-fitted, which I think will look really nice. So I'm excited to make that as well. And I'll of course do that in some sort of like jersey or some sort of knit. So alright, that wraps it up for my Make 9 for 2021 list. I'm super excited to get started on these, and I will be planning them in my calendar in the next couple weeks or so. So be sure to stay tuned for my progress. I think I'll probably include them in my what I've made in whatever month videos, because I plan on doing those periodically throughout the year, and then I'll do a recap video at the end of the year. So I'm excited to see how this goes, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more. Bye.